Okay, um, with that knowledge in mind, we can explain this more from a company point of view. Um, so, as we mentioned, a lot of times the main function is like the CEO. So right now we're defining a new function. It's a worker. Previously, we're calling workers from other companies by signing the contract, like the plaintiff or something there. But right now, it's like we are training a worker by ourselves. Um, it belongs to our own company, so um, we don't have to hire it from somewhere else. And the CEO gives orders to that function. It's like we are calling. Uh, it's it's the function call, like the CEO giving orders, and the worker uh, will follow by doing. Then uh, we have um, the materials, the variables in each function is like the material of each office. Think about that. It's like in the main function. The main function is like the CEO's office, and the worker function is like the worker's office. So those materials um, belong to those respect office, different office there. So they can be only used inside that office because you cannot uh, use a material that belongs to CEO's office in the worker's office. So um, you can't use the materials of the worker's office in the CEO's office. Okay, so think them as offices. This variable will be more clear. So then you may have the variables with the same name. For example, you have I in the CEO's office and you have another I in the worker's office. They are with the same name. However, they will be treated differently by computers. Don't mix them up. Okay. Um, when you might have noticed when we are calling the workers function, we are passing some value to the function. So uh, think about this like it's like here when the worker is declaring the function, it's like they are prepared. They have prepared a form for the service or for the applicants to fill out. Um, when you drop by our office, they give you a form for you um, to fill if you want to use their services there. So this is like passing the parameter to the worker. So here, when the CEO is calling the worker, so the CEO has to fill out that form by filling those different sections of that form. It's like the passing the parameter there. For example, here we're passing a char to this, and at that time, the value of this space char will be copied to this char C, and also the value of the num spaces will be copied to this parameter. Remember that this is just copying the value. That means the value will be filled in here, and any change you made by using those variable will not affect the original value. Like here, if you change the value of this non-repeat, it wouldn't affect the value of the num species because it's just a copy. It's like you're passing your value, you're filling out some information of yourself into that form. The worker may have changed the value on that form, but it doesn't mean it could change the original data or form or information you have. For example, the age example I'm showing here.